Meaning of hydrogen.
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 Hydrogen. Hydrogen is a chemical element with the atomic number 1 and the symbol H. It is the lightest and most abundant element in the universe, making up about 75% of its elemental mass. Hydrogen is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that exists as molecules with 2 atoms, or as the diatomic gas H2. It is highly flammable and burns with a pale blue flame when ignited with oxygen. Hydrogen has many applications, including in the production of ammonia, petroleum refining, and as a fuel for rockets and vehicles.